This Coldwell Banker Pacesetter Steel Realtors property video is presented by Janice Cruz. Great home has been remodeled and looks amazing. Great colors throughout, vinyl flooring, carpet, granite countertops, some updated electrical, plumbing re-route per cellar, recent HVAC system, roof replaced in 2018, new water heater, tons of space throughout, great size yard, rear wrap garage, so much to love. Seller is giving $5,000 towards buying closing cost with acceptable offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Janice Cruz at 361-229-0535.